train was transporting hazardous materials in 17 loaded tank cars and in 3 empty tank cars with residue. 11 of the derailed tank cars contained hazardous materials, including 5 specification DOT 105 tank cars loaded with 115,580 gallons of stabilized vinyl chloride monomer, a liquefied compressed flammable gas. NTSB investigators determined the initial derailment damage included 1 breached DOT 111 tank car containing flammable liquid, butyl acrylate, and 2 breached DOT 111 tank cars containing combustible liquids, 2-ethyl hexyl acrylate, and ethylene glycol monobutyl ether. These released materials became involved in the post-derailment fire. The derailment also resulted in the breach of 6